Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our channel Let's Learn Automation, and today we'll continue to the Unix command WC command again, and now we have doc2. Okay, there is no like that. Okay, so doc2.html, so I will use like again WC command, then doc2.html, and now we got a 49 to 46. So this is the different output. It works better with the text file or log file, we can say that. So we will clear the output. So wc is the command which is going to return the, let's check in notes, which is going to return the number of lines, words and character of the file. Then so it is the editor in Unix. Create a new file and if present, open it. Okay, so it is going to create a new file. If it is present, then it will going to open it. If it is not present, then it is going to create it. So we'll use this command now. We'll use the ls first. So we have to, these are the number of file, and for example I use the vi command and doc2.html. So this is going to open the file. Okay, so this is the different kind of file because this is not a text file, we can say that, or normal file. So that's why it's showing in a html format, and these are the content which we copy paste. So this is the file we have. So what happened with the vi command, like if the file is already exists, then it is going to open it. If the file is not exist, then it is going to create it. And now we can see that we are in a different scenario. We are not in a command line. So if I need to go back, then I need to press escape colon wq, and this is our command prompt. So in this particular command, this command is open the already available file. Now if the file is not available, then I will use like vi triple a. So now the blank file get open, and if I need to write down something, so I can write I am an engineer. And if I need to go back to our command line, then press escape colon wq, enter. So I am coming back to this. So vi is the editor, and we have the notes in like it is editor in Unix and create a new file, and if present, and operate. And if we need to go back, then we need to press escape colon wq and enter. Then we have next command like cat. Cat is going to read the data from the file. So here we can see that we have already created one file like AAA. So we'll try to read this file by using the cat AAA. So I am an engineer. So this is the line we have written over there. So cat is the command which is going to read the file. And now also what we can do, like cat, then AAA, then doc.rtf. Okay, so this is going to read all the both the file. So as per the sequence, so here we can see that what we have written like cat AAA, the first file and the second file. So first of all it read the first file, then it read the second file. Actually it makes some confusion because the content is not good. So what I will do, I will open this AAA which we created, and I will paste the content over here, copy here, paste it here. No, this is okay. Close this, I will close this, and I will create the same file like AAA. I will give like triple B, and I will edit this now. We'll remove all those things. Copy the same line over again and again. We'll save this. Now we'll go back to our terminal and clear the screen. Now I will use the cat command, cat and AAA, then triple B. So here we can say that when I use cat AAA triple B, so I am an engineer. It is get open. in all the content, then the triple V file contain these lines. So in this way we can read the single file, even we can read the multiple files too. And also what we can do, let's clear this screen, and like cat, then hyphen n we can use, and triple E. So in this way we can read the number of lines too. Okay, so there are first line, second line, third line. So if we use the hyphen a, then we'll get a line number 2. So this is what the cat command, which is going to read the file, single file or multiple file, with the number of the line. Then also what we have, like we have the, in notes we have the grep command, like so I think so. Cat is done. So grep means what? Global regular expression pattern. It is used to search the text. So for example, in a particular text file, if I need to search anything, any word, so I can make use of grep command. So for that I need to use the grep, and in double quote I need to use the what the thing I need to search and in which file I need to search. So grep is the command. Here I will type the search string, and here I will use the name of the file. So for example, we have triple A. So here we can check for give or gives, we can say that. Yes, gives. We'll look for that. Go back to our terminal, then grep command, and here gives, and then the name of the file, like triple A. And now, so here we can see that gives the detail 1 2 3 4, means 4 times. We can say that it is available. So it is used to search the text or the string, we can say that is it available in our file or not. Also what we can do, we can use the same command and we'll use some extra annotation like hyphen c. So it gives the count. If we use the hyphen c, then it gives the count how many times this particular string is available in our file. So this is what the grep command, it is used, mostly used for like to read the log file, to search anything in a log file. So grep command is the important one. Then we have next command like touch. Okay, so if I need to create a blank file, any blank file, so like we can say that ebc.text. So touch is able to create the blank file. If I checked on UI Unix folder, then what file is that? abc.txt. So this is the text file we have created, but does not contain anything because this is the blank. So because touch is create the blank file, but it has a no editor window, it only going to create the file. Then we have the head command. Let's see the head command. What is this? It shows the first 10 lines. If we use the head command, then it going to display the first 10 line. So in a terminal we'll try to use this. Let's clear the screen. Then head command and triple A. Okay, so it is going to read the first 10 line. Also we can modify or we can customize the output. So for example, if I need to check the 12 lines, so I can use like this head, then hyphen the number of lines I need to read and the name of the file, and then enter. So here we can see that this shows the hidden content of the, this is last line, and here we have the one extra line over here. So in this way we can read the first 10 by default, and even we can customize. Even in the same way we can make use of tail command. So the tail command is like tail, then the name of the file triple A, and it will read the last 10 line. Tail means last, so it will going to 10 it is going to read the last 10 lines. And also we can customize it by using like 12 and like this. So this will read the last 12 lines. So in this way we can make use of head and tail to read the first or last line, first 10 or last 10. Even we can customize that too. Now yes, so we'll clear the screen and let's check what the next command we have. So copy, cp means copy automation. Okay, so what it does, copy the content of one file to another. So it is going to copy the content of one file to another. So for that I will create some files. So let's delete this file, this is not required. I will copy this and I will change the content. So abc, what abc does not have anything, so I will copy this line and paste it abc. Okay, single line is available over here. Here I will give the name like abc1 and like this, and I will again rename this file like xyz. So this file content much extra lines. Now this is done. Okay, so I will make use of which command is copy cp command. So what I will do, so what we have abc, abc1 and xyz. So what abc here, first of all we'll see abc contains single line. Okay, then abc1 contain 4 lines. So I will copy the content. So I will use cp abc.txt and the next name like abc1.txt. So cp is the command, abc is the first line which content needs to be copied, and abc1 is the target file where we need to copy the content from abc to abc1. So cp is the command, abc is the source, and abc1 is the destination. So I am going to copy the content of abc to abc1, and if I execute, we are not getting any error over here. So the we can say that we got the success. Now we'll check the abc and abc1. So we don't need to check abc because it contains the same thing. But if I check abc1, so it also contains the same content like abc. So what is going to happen? The content of abc get copied to abc1, but in this particular process the previous content of abc get destroyed or get removed, because or it get override. So now abc and abc1 having the same content. Okay, so this is the issue. Like if I use this command like this, cp, then first file, then second file, copy the content of one file to other, but in this process that is going to replace the content. And also what can I do, I can copy one file from one location to another location. So for example, now uh, let's check vb, what vb contain, does not contain anything. For example, if I need to copy abc to vb using the command line, so I'll try to do that. So I will use the cp command, then I need to use the name of the file. So abc.text, and now I need to provide the location. So the location will be complete. So I will use like users, then send it, then desktop, then I think Unix, and finally in VB. In VB. So what I'm going to do, that I'm just going to copy this file from current location to the VB directory. So if I execute, I'm not getting any error. So it means that this file is copied from our location to the VB location. So let's check. So this is our file which we copied, and let's check in a VB. So this file is copied over here. So we can copy one file to other location. There is no problem, but we just need to give the complete address of that particular location. Now the next command is mv. So by using mv command, we can rename the file. Okay, we can rename the file. So like we can say that also rename the file even and directory too. Okay, good. So we can rename the file and directory. Let's try to do that. So I will use the clear. Let's clear the screen. Less. And now what we have abc text. So I will try to rename the file. So by using the mv command, mv, then abc dot text, and the next name or the new name I need to provide like abc100.txt. So there is no error. It means that the operation got successful. So if I check, so we don't have any abc file, we have abc100 file. So in this way we can rename the file. If I need to rename the directory, then let's try with the directory too. So for example I will mv, then vp, then vp 1000. So this also got successful. Now what is the expectation? That on UI the vp name should be displayed as a vp 10,000. So let's check this. So there is no vb and we got the vb 10,000. So in this way we can copy the file. Sorry, we can rename the file, even we can rename the directory. Now let's try to do the actual use of mv, that is move, because mv means move. So we'll try to move this abc100 to vb 10,000. Okay, we'll try to move means this file will shift from this location to this new location. So for that let's use mv, then we need to use like abc100.txt, and then we need to provide the location users, then Zenith, then desktop, then Unix, and vp. Okay, enter. So there is no error. So it means that the file get moved from this location to vb 10,000. So let's check that. So the abc100 file get moved from this location to this location, we can see that. So in this way we can move the move the file to from one location to another location. Now let's check what we have. mv command is done. So it is used to rename the file, rename the directory, and even moving the file from one directory to other. Now also what we have, less and more. So let's try to use this command. So let's clear the screen. Ls, what we have here, abc.txt, so cat abc. Okay, so this is the file, the content of the file I can see, but we need the larger file or bigger file. So I think this file is available with no, here is no. Let's check for the bigger xyz. Yes, xyz is a bigger file. So I will check that, but we need one more bigger file. So I will just copy all this content. Done. I will save it. The file is saved. Now we'll check the less command and more command. So less and more, what it means, display the content of file page by page. Okay, let's see. So less is the command, and the name of the file is the name of the file xyz. Sorry, xyz. Enter. So this is the file, or this is the content of the file. So what the method or the command means, display the content of the file page by page. Then if I press space, then it is go to the next page. If I press B, then it go back to the back page, last page, and the first page. So I can make use of all these buttons. Okay, and to exit I need to press only Q. So if I press paste, then it will go to the next page. So this command is going to read the file page by page. By using space, I can go to the next page. By using B, I can go back to the previous page. By using G, capital G, I can say Shift G, I can go to the last page, and small g, I can go to the first page. So I will make some modification in the file. Just press Q to go back. So in this file, I will write down like first by rst first, and at the bottom I will write them like last, so that will be easy to understand. Are we really getting the output or not? So in a terminal, I will I will type ls xyz.text now. So this is in this way we can see that this is the first page. If I press space, next page, next page, next page, next page, and I'm pressing space, and we are going next page. So let's hope we will get the bottom. Not yet. Okay, and we are getting the bottom. Now what we have in command, like if I need to go to first page, then I need to press G. Let's press G. So I directly switch to the first page. Then if I need to go to last page, then press capital G, means Shift G. So if I press Shift G, then I just move to the last page. Okay, so in this way we can move, or we can we can see the content of the file page by page. And if I press Q, then it will go back to the terminal. So this is what the less or more command. Then what we have, okay, so let's see the top command. So I will clear this. Let's see top. Okay, so it gives the details of the running processes. Okay, top command, top display all the running process. So we just need to type top and enter. So it is going to display all the running process. Here we can see that this is the process ID, and this is the application name. We can say that, then how many percent of CPU they are using, what's the time, and everything, every details are available over here. So this is the command which is going to show the running process. And if I need to kill the process, then I need to use the command like kill and the process number or process ID, we can say that. So we can kill or terminate the process. So this is the command. So rest of the things we'll check in the next session. Thank you.